Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Ringke for sending me the camera lens frame glass protectors. You get 2 sets for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. All the information to purchase the lens frame glass protectors will be down below in the description area. And I'm going to tell you folks, live a better day. That's going to happen when you have protection for your cameras on your Z Fold 7. Got a little more information on the back, so please read everything. The guitar pick is to remove the camera glass lens protectors. If you need to do so, this is what you will use. That way you do not have to struggle. Basically, you're just going to take the pick, find the edge of the camera glass lens protector, and with a little bit of push and lift, you're going to pop them off. All right, so let's clean the cameras. We want to clean those really, really nice. Any dust or lint on those cameras, you want to make sure that that is not there. And we'll leave that on there for right now. Camera lens frame glass. You're going to peel this guy away and then set on top. The arrows means that you're going to do this back and forth. You're going to help them adhere to the surrounding area of those cameras. All right, so let's do this. Pull away. Just like that. Just like that. And they are gone. Yeah, that is nice. Okay, so let's remove all of this. And what I'm going to do is try out a few backs to a few cases that I've reviewed. Got the subcase UB grip with kickstand. You can go check out that review. I got the UAG Move. Got that review up, and the Aurora case from Banks. So what we're going to do is just place over the top so you can see that you still have plenty of space for the cameras working with the cutout of the Banks Aurora case here. No issues whatsoever, and that's good to see. So you want to take your thumb and press up against the cameras there and then pull away. That's a pass. The UB grip from Subcase. Again, plenty of space. And what you don't want is when you're pulling off the case from the back here, you don't want the cutout being too tight, or else it will grab onto those camera glass lens protectors and pull them off, and you don't want that. Okay. A little easier to take off. You got a little more material going on there than this minimalistic case from Banks. Oh yeah, plenty of space. You can see that right there. It's probably more space with this cutout than this case from Subcase and this case from Banks. Yeah, that looks really good. So let's see. Yeah, this looks like it's the tightest fit, but still no issues. So there you go. Very nice. So now what I want to do is take a few pictures and make sure that the cameras are going to take great quality pictures. And if they do without any issues from the Ringke camera glass lens protectors, then video quality will be the same as well. So let's go ahead and take a picture there. There's my Dallas Cowboy totem pole. No issues, no issues, no issues, and no issues. Look at that.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Tested out a few cases. The install was super easy and fun. So if you have any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase in the description area. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I am out.